In this video, we'll learn how to change the format of dates in Excel, step by step. First, we need to make sure that Excel actually recognizes your dates as real dates, not just text. To do that, select the date cells, go to the Data tab, and click on Text to Columns. Click Next, then Next again, and under Column Data Format, select Date instead of General. Here, you can choose the date order you want, MDY, DMY, or any other format that matches your data. Once selected, click Finish. Now Excel officially recognizes your dates. Next, let's change how they look. Select the same date cells, right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Date section. Here you can pick from many formats, even country-specific ones. For example, I'll select English United States to use the US date format. Click OK, and just like that, your date format will change instantly.